breaking update coming in, and senior sources in the Maha Vikas Aghadi government has in fact told Mirror Now that local Congress leaders are creating a roadblock for a possible Congress, NCP and Sena alliance for Goa. In fact, according to them, Central Congress leadership wants alliance, but there is a problem with the local leadership in Goa. In fact, the sources also indicate that NCP is likely to decide on the future course of action. Sena and NCP are already in agreement and they have given an ultimatum to Congress on this. So this is the latest that we're getting in terms of the Congress, NCP and Sena possible alliance over Goa elections. Over there, what we are hearing from our MBA sources is that the local Congress leaders are apparently creating a roadblock, whereas Central Congress leadership wants alliance. Let me go across to my colleague Ketan Vaidya, who has got us this exclusive. Ketan, tell us what exactly are the MBA sources that you spoke to indicating. So, I mean, there seems to be no other hitch except for the fact that local Congress leaders are creating a hurdle?
See, well, as you know, in Goa, there are efforts on to create a MVA too. However, the real hurdle seems to be the local Congress leader, because I spoke to the leaders of other constituents in the MVA. As you know, the Sena and NCP are already working close together to form an alliance, and they are interested in getting Congress so that the opposition vote is not divided. As you know, there are other contenders like AAP and even TMC is in the fray. So the sources that I spoke to, they indicated that the Central Congress leadership is all for a joint alliance between Shiv Sena, NCP and Congress. However, the local leaders, because of their own scuttled ambitions, are not welcoming this move.
Right, Ketan, we'll of course be tracking this story with you. I mean, Goa elections is something that we're tracking very closely here on Mirror Now, and this seems to be the latest that we're getting in terms of from MBA sources, where essentially they are saying that it is the local Congress leaders who seem to be creating a problem, while the Central Congress leadership is in favor of a Cong NCP and Sena alliance for Goa.